Zulu have placed a very big task on you students. To go in search of the Sacred Leaf by the princess. You have 8 days to return with the Sacred Leaf.
Where is this Sacred Leaf? And how can we locate it?
Go back to that native doctor. Tell him that I want the Sacred Leaf. If he refuses, okay.
In the middle of a woman in the forest, inside a sacred box, under a sacred tree.
Please don't be offended.
Go on.
Must all of us be native doctors?
This is a gift from the gods. And it runs through our lineage.
No fortification.
It takes an ordinary man to plant a tree, but it takes a stronger man to uproot the same tree.
And remember, and any one of you that will take hold of that sacred box must be stark naked. I repeat, stark naked.
Hey, it's dangerous. And you know what I went through there in the evil forest? Suffered nights, days, shed my blood, risked my life, lost my colleagues. I've never seen anything in this world to have failed his pronouncement. The pronouncement of an Igwe is final. Igwe, a promise is death.
My brother left my palace this morning, hell and heart, and we are here totally lost. Collins, where were you all these years? Where?
My question is irrelevant, because you know I traveled to Canada, and my traveling can never be an impediment by virtue of the custom and tradition of this kingdom.
Instead of you to sympathize with me over what has befallen my daughter, you are here wanting me. Am I your honor?
On the contrary, Your Highness, I have just spoken my mind.
I will also suggest that we hold back action should the lab scientists be in possession of any information that could likely lead to a daughter's kill.
You don't have time for the gods. Fuck them! Fuck the gods!
No need! The question here is how to destroy the monsters.
And this is the boss. I'm going to take it.
Too fast!
Only a sacred sword can destroy the monster. It lies in the cave of Oseke in Ashaka River.
You know what the Bible says? Huh? The Bible you read says that the kingdom of heaven suffer a violent, and the violent won't take it by force, and I'm gonna fucking take it by force.